Hey, it's Lisa here. If you are a high achiever or driven person struggling with stress and anxiety, I've got some exciting news for you. My new program, Anxiety Free in 6 Weeks, is starting again soon. So if you have been struggling with stress and anxiety for quite some time, and maybe you've tried to self-medicate with food or alcohol or online shopping or exercising like a crazy person, this is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can keep your life, your career and your goals and your drive, but you can have that inner freedom. You can be free from that chronic stress and anxiety and that internal pressure. It's a really easy to follow step-by-step program, and it all happens inside the Inner Freedom app, my app that I built just for you. And once a week we have live calls on Zoom where we do live breathwork. It's so powerful to release stress, emotional charge, and all that intensity from the body. The sessions are only 20 minutes a day, or up to 20 minutes a day. Some of them are just 10 minutes, which means that you can definitely fit it into your day. And a lot of the sessions you can also do whilst you are walking the dog, or you might be commuting to work, if anyone does that anymore. Or you can listen to them while you're lying in bed at night or in the morning. So it's really doable, and the whole idea is to integrate your learnings into your life. So you don't need an extra 2 hours in your day to do some practices, but it's really all stuff that you integrate into your life. You put it into your life as it is now, like brushing your teeth or getting dressed in the morning, and the practices and the techniques are such that you can apply them in your life as it is. Okay, I can't wait to see you in the program. If you have any questions, just message me or click on the application link, and you get to book a free transformation call with me, and then you get to also have all your questions answered. But please do act soon, because the course is filling up really quickly and I don't want you to miss out. So apply now, and I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the program. So exciting. Love and freedom. I'll see you soon.